Hi, girls. What you doing? What you doing? Don't fall. What are you doing all the way up here? All in a row. Pochi must be in the coop. They got adventurous and they came. Well, hello, Rosie. Rocky. Hi, Penny. Hi, Omelette. And they came up the stairs. They usually stay down there. But they came upstairs to see what we were doing. Funny girls. Funny. Hi, Omelette. You're a bunny. Oh, hello. You gonna peck at it? Hi, Rocky. Hello, Miss Penny. What you doing? Don't fall. Don't fall.